what happened this evening is a game of football, as you said earlier, that one team must win. And the luck has fallen on Chelsea today. I would have loved to play Manchester in final, but all the same, Chelsea have been our wife in FA Cup, because if you check the record, you will see that Arsenal is the king of FA Cup in England, which the Chelsea fan that just left the stage have confirmed it. So we are not scared of anybody we are going to meet in the final. What we know is that definitely we can play badly in the league, but when it comes to FA Cup, we don't joke with it.
I will allow Choco. I'm going to bring you back, but let me go ahead and bring in Adewumi to be able to defend what Onowu just said. I'm quoting him. He said that you guys are marrying Chelsea in the cup or something like that. Is that true?
I don't think it's true anyway. You know, the entire thing is the picture, which is good. But you know, football is an interesting game.
Yes.
And very unpredictable too. You can't say what you will meet on the pitch, on the field of play. But all I know is that we are in the final. We don't need to stress that too much now. But the fact still remains we are in the final and we are meeting United and we are meeting now. I know, like you said, you know, it's a proven fact. Arsenal are the king of they are the king of FA, and no one is contending that with them. We all know that, and we give it to them. But don't shy away from the fact that Giroud has been there before. He knows how it's wrong. But this will be his fifth time in the FA. You know, he has won it 4 times. So if he wins it this time around, it will be 5th. And we will be glad to have a team. Reason being that Lampard has been very good to us. He was to us as a manager, and he has also been he was to us as a player, I'm sorry, and he has also been as a manager. We love him and we really want him to be successful at the bridge. So we are all coming out to give him all the support that he needs to just lift this. If not anything, we are very sure most, you know, definitely we are making top 4. You know, if we should go by the loss of Leicester to score. So we are all, you know, most definitely we are going to make top 4. And if we can also crown it up, I mean the season with winning the FA, it wouldn't be a bad idea. We want that. But I hope you still remember about 241. There can still be a repeat. You can never be sure.
Okay.
Yes,
no.
You know?
Yeah. Oh no.
The only player that was with us and no more with us now is Louis. We still have everything in hand. You remember, apart from the fact that we are playing apart from the fact that most of our players are youth, and they are ready, they are agile, they are working on their progressing. They want to do more, they want to impress the fans as well as the manager. I know they are going all out to prove a point. But the fact that Baku was something that no one expected and it came out the way it did. So you should not forget that fact. Anything can happen. But one part of my mind tells me, you know, that Arsenal are going to put some stones of which they are ready for. So we are not scared to be at Wembley with you guys. Yes.
Yeah, before I allow you to before I ask no, what's your prediction for the finals?
My prediction for finals will be 2-1.
2-1. Oh no,
in favor of Chelsea.
Of course. There's no way you will not support your team. Oh no, what do you have to say?
You know, as I said earlier, Arsenal, they are the king of FA Cup in England. When you check record will be.
Are you talking about the king when it comes to
yes,
all the trophies,
yes,
or FA Cup, or Premiership, or Champions League?
I'm just talking about FA Cup. Although said, I should remember the 4-1 that was in Europe, and I know that when it comes to Europe, Chelsea, they has more players that will do it better than Arsenal in Europe for now. But I'm telling you that when it comes to FA Cup, check the record. Arsenal has won it 13 times. They are the highest in England, followed by Man U. So the last time that we won it in 2017, I think it was the same Chelsea that we beat them 2-1. So seeing the crop of players we have in Arsenal now, and the Mikel Arteta have transformed Arsenal team. You know, the shoe Arsene Wenger left was so very big for any coach to fill. So Amre put more problem in Arsenal by bringing wrong players and doing wrong selections. That was what put us in the position that we are today. When you come to England, when you mention teams that are doing well, that are playing well, you mention Arsenal. But we went and hired the wrong coach, and he came and scattered what Arsene Wenger has built. So I thank God for the board of Arsenal for bringing in Mikel Arteta, who played for Arsenal as well. When you watch all the clubs that are doing well in England today, you will see that some of these coaches, they play the game, and they know the team, and they understand the team. When you see what Mikel Arteta have done in this short period, you will know that in the next season, that Arsenal is going to be a contender in the league. For us to win Liverpool on Wednesday and came on Saturday and win Manchester City, that will tell you that we have improved. This is no longer that Arsenal that you can push around. So what I'm telling you, come on 1st of next month, we are going to beat Chelsea. They are our wife in FA Cup. When it comes to league, they can win us. But when it comes to FA Cup, it will be very difficult for Chelsea to defeat Arsenal. So my prediction on 1st of August is that we are going to beat them 3-1. That is my prediction. And that is how it's going to be.